So welcome to the first Falco Community call of 2022 year. I will be the MC today. Let me remind you that Falco is a CNCF project, so please be kind to each other. And the call is recorded, so if you don't want to show your face, please turn off your camera. So first, as I highlight today, we have a topic about myself. I joined CSDX 3 days ago now as an open source and ecosystem advocate. My position will be to help you guys to be involved in Falco, to integrate Falco, and of course to contribute to Falco. So if your company is interested to move forward and help everybody by submitting some pull request or ideas or else, you can reach me on Slack and we'll discuss about how to help you to contribute more with Falco and all stuff around. If you have any questions. And for the agenda today, 2 topics. We start with Falco driver check. As you know, drivers, even if probes and kernel modules can be a little bit painful for people. When we install Falco, of course, the installation process will try to download a pre-built driver or compile the driver directly inside the node. It's often not possible when you are running in a managed cluster, managed Kubernetes clusters, for example. So offering the possibility to people to download directly the probes for the system will be much easier for everybody and improve the user experience. But sometimes we see that people try to install Falco, see the probes is not available, the driver is not available, ask on the Slack channel, and we show them the documentation about test infra and DriverKit to create automatically the drivers in our infrastructure. So I created a small script based on what we already have at the installation first step of Falco. This script will take all information from your system and compare what is already available in drivers Falco.org. I don't remember the exact address, but it will give you details about if your system is already ready to install Falco, and if not, it will suggest you to submit a PR with all details, so you don't have to worry about what to write down into the YAML file for text infra, which is a platform which builds the pods, the modules. So if you will just have to follow the message, copy paste the content into the file which is mentioned in the output, and you will easily contribute and help the whole community by submitting a PR for your needs, but also for anybody else. For now, it works.
If you think about the community channels, right, like where we have that question a lot of, hey, I just had it just spun up EKS or GK or something, I can't find the driver for it, or Ubuntu generic or something like that. I think this is a good thing because people are like, well, how do I submit that? And I think there's also going to be a forthcoming like DriverKit blog to help people kind of understand this process of doing these builds and all of that, because I think Thomas and I think that like DriverKit's like the entryway into Falco. So hopefully this is a really useful script that Thomas wrote.
So I put in the HackMD the link to the repository on GitHub. You can try it directly with the script with a Docker image, and I also added a YAML file for deploying it into Kubernetes clusters, and I have details about Kubernetes, so it will be useful for EKS, GKE, or AKS. So please test it, even if you have already Falco. If you have positive result with already installed Falco, it will be nice. If you have a false result and you have still Falco, it means something bad happens in my script, so I would like to know to improve it. I will share this in the channel right after, in the Slack channel, to hopefully have people to test it also. So thanks. So, and for the next point, this is from Jason, Falco release reminder.
Yes, I just wanted to remind everyone that at the end of the month, there will be a new Falco release, and that it will take probably a lot of work and eventually help for everyone that wants to contribute, because this release will be definitely bigger than the last one, considering that the whole new plugin system will be included in this one. And I wanted to step up and propose myself as a release manager. And there will definitely be space for, community members to shadow me, or, whoever the release manager will be. So just wanted to remind that. I'm gonna write that in the channel after this call too. And so yeah, if anyone wants to shadow in the release, just let the channel know.
Yeah, I can shadow the release there, Jason. I'll connect with you on the channel. Yeah.
Thank you.
I will shadow this release just to know the user experience about how to be a release manager for Falco, and we'll see if we can improve it or add more documentations for next people. So we don't have any other point in the archive. Is there someone who would like to say something, propose something, write something? All good? Everybody is too tired after the Christmas holidays?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you all. So I'm proposing myself as the next MC. I think for the next community calls, I will be the MC by default, but if someone from the community wants to be the MC, please tell us, and you will be with pleasure as MC. Someone else? Okay, so you will have to endure my French accent next time too. Thank you, everybody. Have a great week and enjoy the Falco.
Bye, everyone. Happy
Yeah.
New Year.
Everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody.